Hello, my name is Drew Regner. I'm a Fab Lab instructor at Cook Inlet Tribal Council. The challenge we're doing today is making a basket. You can make it in any size or shape, however you want to do it, but this is the challenge. Now, you need to make the pieces that go around. I'm going to use the rest of the bag. I'm going to cut strips probably, let's see, 1.5 inches, at least guesstimating. Then I'm going to glue it. And we could fold these into fourths again. I'm just going to do thirds this time. There we go. Now, this strip we're going to wrap around this entire thing. But instead of just wrapping it around, we're going to start by going from under, then over, then under, then over, then under, then over. But I'm going to use hot glue to help. I hot glue it under, and then I'm going to hot glue each one of these so that it stays a little bit sturdy. So I just went over, now I'm going to go under. I hot glue the outside first, over, so we'll hot glue right there. I'm going to go under, so I'm going to hot glue here. Over. Over. And we're back at the beginning. You could start weaving them up and just keep spiraling. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this to right in the middle there. And then I am going to glue it on the outside. Just fold it inside of the basket and pinch it. There's our first row of the basket. Now, I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 7 more of these. I'm going to start this off by looking at where I stopped. I stopped right here. I'm going to start on the next one over. And I'm just going to glue it on the inside. So it alternates. This one's outside, this one's inside, inside, outside, outside. This will go inside. I'm just going to hot glue them on. Do this till I reach the top. One back from where I ended, same process. Now, if you wanted to color these before you did it, you could definitely do that to make them nicer and prettier. If you wanted to use other things like reed or yarn, you could do this entire thing with yarn. You could do it with plastic bags, mail envelopes. Sky's the limit. Ask your parents what you can use, what you can recycle. You could try it with like old t-shirts, like t-shirts that you're going to throw away. Again, the end, cut it, hot glue a little bit more of it. There. If you don't have hot glue, you could use just regular glue. You could use pretty much anything. Tape. You could sew them in. You could use yarn and sew each one. Be a little bit more time consuming, but it'll look pretty. Don't be afraid to prototype. If you get to a point and you mess up, it's okay, it's a prototype. It's hard to make an amazing product right off the bat. clear the top. Ooh, I just made a mistake. If you make a mistake, that's okay. It's glue, it'll come off. Shouldn't be like me and touch hot glue though. That was a bad idea. Okay. I can't really do another layer, so I'm just going to trim these ends off with my scissors. Now, this last piece I'm cut, I'm going to use this to fold over this so we don't see these ends, just so it looks a lot cleaner. So I'm going to use my glue stick again. And I'm going to try to fold this one into smaller, into fourths. Actually, I'm going to fold it this way, and fold it to the middle, and fold this one to the middle. So I get sort of like edge binding for sewing. So you see how I folded that halfway in. Now, I'm going to put some hot glue around this edge. I'm just going to do a little bit at a time. Right there. I'm going to just put the bottom half of this. Careful of your fingers so you don't burn yourself. There we go. I'm just going to overlap it a little bit. Now, I'm going to fold all this over. So I'm just folding this over. Then I'm going to fold it back up. That's just to get it easy to fold. Then we'll glue it down again. I'm just going to hot glue a little bit at a time. So it's right here. And then start folding it over. Okay. And there we go. We have a finished basket. You can pull all the little threads of hot glue off. If you used hot glue, or if you like that look, you can leave it. Looks like it's been on the spider web. You can color this now. You can decorate it. You can give it as a gift to somebody. You can use it to put pencils in, put the material you've been using, put that in there. Whatever you want. But there's our basket. Hope you've enjoyed this. If you want to try to do this challenge, I encourage you to try. You can do this exact same way, or you can try multiple other methods. Sky's the limit. Be creative, enjoy, have fun, create.